Start.
Okay. Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to present on study of fuse MCB and their testing. This presentation will be presented by Tejas Pansare, Sarvesh Kapse, Aditya Amritkar, and Shubham Lati. Next slide. So in this presentation, we will look what is fuse and its different types and its working. We will also look about MCB, its types and its working. We will also do the testing of the fuse. We will also look at the testing of MCB, and after that, we will look at its conclusion. So first of all, what is fuse? A fuse is an electrical safety device that operates to provide overcurrent protection of an electrical circuit. So a fuse commonly consists of a current conducting strip or wire of easily fusible metal that melts and thus interrupts the circuit of which it is a part. Whenever that circuit is made to carry a current larger than that of which it is intended, the screw plug fuse was once commonly used in a domestic electrical system. So here we can look that there are the different types of fuses like DC fuses, AC fuses, cartridge fuses, these D-type cartridge fuses, HRC high rupturing capacity fuse or link type cartridge fuse, high voltage fuse, automatic braid type and bolted type fuses, SMD fuses, surface mount fuse, cheap, radical, and lead fuses. Next slide will be presented by Aditya.
Good morning, everyone. Sarvesh has already explained about the contents of PPT and the types of fuse and the basic information about fuse. Now I am going to explain all about the MCB, working of MCB and types of MCB. Also, I am going to explain about the difference between fuse and MCB. Now we can see the information about MCB. MCB is the miniature circuit breaker, which is automatically operated in the electric switch used to protect low voltage electrical circuits from the damage caused by the excess current from an overload or a short circuit. MCB are generally rated up to the current up to the 125 ampere. In the MCB, there is an adjustable strip characteristics and can be thermal or thermal mag. In the figure, we can show the different types of MCB. Now we are going to see about the working of MCB. There are two arrangements for the operation of miniature circuit breaker or MCB due to the thermal effect of overcurrent and other due to the electromagnetic effect of overcurrent. The thermal operation of the MCB is achieved with a bimetallic strip whenever continuous overcurrent flows through the MCB. The bimetallic strip is heated and deflected by bending. The deflection of the bimetallic strip releases a mechanical latch. As the mechanical latch is attached to the operating mechanism, it causes the MCB contacts to open. But during the short circuit condition, the sudden rising of current causes electromechanical displacement of plunger associated with tripping coil or solenoid of MCB. There is an example of explanation of the MCB working principle, which is already shown in figure. And MCB are generally used in residential, commercial, and industrial purposes. Types of MCB. There is an, as we can see in the PPT, there is 5 types of MCB: Type B MCB, Type C MCB, Type D MCB, Type K MCB, and Type Z MCB. The operating time of Type B MCB is 0.4 to 13 seconds. The operating time of Type C MCB is 0.04 to 5 seconds. The operating time of Type D MCB is 0.04 to 3 seconds. And Type K and Type Z are operated in less than 0.1 seconds. Fuse versus MCB. It automatically switch off the electrical circuit during the abnormal conditions of the network, both on overload and fault conditions. The MCB is much more reliable in the detection of such conditions as it more sensitive to the changes in current. As the switch operating knob comes at its off position during tripping, the faulty zone of the electrical circuit can easily be identified. But in the case of fuse, the fuse wire should be checked by opening the fuse grip or cut out from the fuse base for the confirming the blow of fuse wire. Quick restoration of supply cannot be possible in the case of fuse, as fuses have to be rewirable or replaced for restoring the supply. But in the case of an MCB, quick restoration is possible by flipping a switch. The handle MCB is more electrically safe than a fuse. MCB can be controlled remotely where fuse cannot. Now, next PPT is going to explain by Shubham.
Tejas,
So
please
we
explain this
so in
slide
this
from here.
so in this we'll see the testing of fuse. This is the circuit diagram of fuse. So procedure. Firstly, we'll connect the digital voltmeter parallel to the primary side of the current transformer. Then we will connect the digital ammeter in series to the primary side of the current transformer. Then another wire of ammeter is connected with the fuse in series. Then the fuse is connected with variable load, that is rheostat, in series connection. Then load is connected to the other side of the current transformer terminal. After that, connect the fuse wire and give the power supply to the transformer. Then slowly increase the voltage of the transformer and current is also increased. Set the voltage and current, then plug the fuse to give some time when the fuse is blown out. Then replace the fuse wires and continue the same steps with other voltage and current values. Then take the readings. There are some precautions while carrying out this experiment. Next slide. When performing an experiment, do not use loose clothes. Do not touch loose wire or equipment and machines without permission. Do not touch with wet hands. Check all the wires while performing the experiment. So below is the observation table where we are going to calculate voltage, current, and the time taken by the fuse to blow out. Next will be explained by Shubham.
Good afternoon, sir. Sir, as you can see in this slide, there is a diagram of MCB. In this diagram, this is shown that input AC current is given to a transformer that is auto transformer, or we can call it as dimmer. Then this dimmer output is given to the current transformer, that is CT, and which is shorted, which output is shorted. And in this shorted output, we have generated an MCB. And by seeing in this diagram, according to this diagram, as we move or increase the output, the current in the other transformer, that is in CD transformer, will increase. And according to our ratings, the MCB will trip. So this is a procedure that what we have to do, how we have to connect all MCBs and water wire connections. According to this step, you should have to connect all wires and a diagram shown in here. This is some precautions that should be taken, that we should not wear so loose cloth, we should not touch a wire without permission, and we should keep our hand dry. And according to this observation table, you have to take readings of current and the time in which the MCB is tripped. So conclusion of this PPT is, we have learned that how fuse and MCBs are tested, what are their workings, and what are advantages of MCB over fuses. Thank you, sir.